The next part of our trip will take us on the 183-mile journey from Banff to Jasper on one of the most beautiful highways anywhere, the Icefield Parkway.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. Moments pass, make this one count. Untied.
You got a little waterfall coming down off the glacier. This is pretty cool.
Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
This is our site at the Whistler Campground in Jasper, Alberta, Canada. So it's primitive. There's no hookups or anything, but it's secluded, it's forested. There's been a lot of wildlife. We've seen a bear and a mountain goat and a lot of elk, including a couple baby elk. So it's pretty nice. We really enjoy it here. So our next stop is Mile Zero Campground at Dawson Creek. See you then.